pagdating from friendship, let's talk about love. Nung pumasok ka dito sa iyong relasyon kay Congressman, hi, is he watching?
I am not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Ano ang baon mong mga leksyon na iyong natutunan sa iyong mga past relationships? Because proud ako sa iyo, Aiko, you're able to sustain this relationship, and bravo, you've been together for 8 years, going to eternity. I mean, ang ganda, nakakatuwa at nakaka-proud.
Alam mo, Tito Ninong, lagi ko, dati, I always plan my life ahead. And I always say na, from this relationship, hindi ko na gagawin to, hindi ko na gagawin. But when you're there, you can't plan things eh. It just happens because you pray to God na, ito, iiwasan natin to. Ayoko kasi in-compare yung relationship ko with Jay to my past relationships.
Tama.
Kasi magkakaiba naman sila at magkakaiba rin ang sitwasyon namin at yung pagkakataon. So ako, I'd rather say, Tito Ninong, na it's still a work in progress. They say na, oh, 8 years, ganyan. Yeah, pero you know, we still go through challenges. We are not perfect. May mga oras na gusto ko nang sumuko. Pero dahil gusto naming wag sukuan ng isa't isa, we choose to stay.
Sa mga pagkakataon na gusto mo nang sumuko, dahil lahat natin pinagdadaanan yan sa mga relasyon, where do you go? Saan ka pumupunta para makabalik?
Siguro, Tito Ninong, yung support system ko is my mom stays with me.
Oo.
And my kids are very close to me. So every time I go through rough patches in my life, I pray. And then I go to them. And kasi minsan, Tito Ninong, ang hirap din yung sasabihin mo yung, kunyari, may isa kang kaibigan na sasabihin mo lahat doon yung away nyo. And then maging okay na naman kayo, they'd see that person differently. So now, I have learned to choose yung mga sasabihin ko. Minsan pagka yung bisit na ako kay Jay, yung pipigilan ko yung sarili ko na, is there a need for me to say this? Or should I just keep quiet for the meantime? Ganon.
And you choose to be, most of the time, quiet.
Quiet.
Oo. And just handle the problems na kayo lamang dalawa.